Namaste everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing well. And as the title of the video reads today, of course we are going to be reviewing every YouTuber's favorite brand, which is Mamaearth. So today we are only going to be talking about their hair care range, and I'm going to only focus on their hair oil as well as their shampoos. I did not want to go ahead and buy the conditioner as well because I first wanted to try out their oil and their shampoo, and I only wanted to then invest in a conditioner when the products would have worked for me. Now I had been using the Tresemme shampoo for the longest time. I think it had been about 6 or 7 years since I had been using that shampoo. And I was actually pretty happy with it, but with the uproar that happened around sulfates, parabens and silicones present in shampoos and different sort of chemicals that actually seep in through your scalp, everyone started talking about how important it was to incorporate a shampoo and a conditioner in your routine that were free of sulfates, parabens as well as silicones. So before we start the video, here's a quick disclaimer for you guys. I would really advise and appreciate if you guys took my opinion with a pinch of salt, because what works for me might not work for you, and what might work for you might not work for me. Everyone's hair texture is different. The requirements that their hair has is also different for different people. A lot of people also want to target different concerns when it comes to their hair. Some people have frizzy hair, some have straight hair, some people have a flaky scalp. So naturally different products are going to give different results on everyone. So before we start, make sure that you hit the like, share and subscribe button, and tell me in the comment section down below how your experience with the Mamaearth products has been so far. Also, don't forget to connect with me on all my social media accounts, which are flashing right here in front of you on the screen. And now let's get started. Now I have two of the Mamaearth shampoo variants. The first one is the onion shampoo, which is the most popular one in their entire range. This one is meant to target hair fall, and the other one is the tea tree shampoo, which is meant to target dandruff. Now I also got a free product along with my order, which is the Mamaearth onion hair oil, which is also something that I used along with the onion hair shampoo as well. Now first talking about this mini onion hair oil, I'm actually really glad that I got this mini version before I had to actually invest in a full-size product. Now going by the oils that are present in this product, you would actually think that this is a very promising product, and to be very fair, this product is not a bad product. First off, it has a very mild and soothing fragrance. As you would think that the name reads, which is onion hair oil, you would think that this would have a very pungent odor, but that's not the case. The fragrance is actually really mild. Before this, I always used to stick to using mustard oil or coconut oil in my hair. As you can see, my hair is frizzy, and usually my target concern is tackling frizziness. Now this oil, honestly, I would say it performed decently. It was definitely not bad. Would I be purchasing a full-size bottle of this? Definitely not, because I feel that the kind of miraculous effect that mustard oil has on my hair, I don't think there is any other product that has such a good effect on my hair. So I think I will give this product a pass. Next up, let's address the elephant in the room, the two Mamaearth shampoo bottles that I have right here. Now I have actually noted a couple of things down for these products, so please bear with me while I refer to my notes time and again. Now when it comes to marketing, Mamaearth as a brand, I would definitely give it 11 out of 10. You would have seen its advertisements on literally every app, every website. Every time you visit their website, they send you emails. So when it comes to marketing, of course, you might end up feeling that you are probably the only person who's not using Mamaearth products. Now both the shampoos are paraben and SLS free, dermatologically tested and suited for all hair types. Both of these bottles retail for 350 rupees for 250 ml of product, but of course you do get some discounts either on the Mamaearth website or maybe different websites like Nykaa or Flipkart or even Amazon for that matter. So talking about fragrance, I am not particularly a fan of the kind of fragrance that these bottles have. For some reason, it actually feels like a lot of natural ingredients have been tried to blend chemically. So if you are someone who can tolerate the fragrance, who can get past it, then perhaps it's not going to bother you. Otherwise, the fragrance I don't think I am a huge fan of. Talking about the key ingredients in this shampoo, it has onion seed oil, which increases blood supply to hair follicles, thus in turn improving hair growth. The second key ingredient is D-panthenol, which is the stable alcohol analog of vitamin B5, and acts as a moisturizer, thus leaving your hair shiny and silky. The third key ingredient that we have here is keratin. Now keratin, if you guys know, is the protein that our hair is made up of. and it actually helps in bonding of the hair follicles. A lot of times you guys would have heard that people get keratin treatments done in their hair, which is of course the reason why their hair ends up looking so straight and shiny, because keratin is known to give your hair strength, smoothness and shine. And the last key ingredient is vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant and of course in turn results in increased hair growth. Now speaking of the key ingredients in the tea tree shampoo, the first key ingredient that we have is tea tree oil, which is known to combat dandruff and flakiness because it is antibacterial and antifungal. The second key ingredient right here that we have is ginger oil, which is known to soothe your scalp and rid you from any sort of irritation that you might have in your scalp. And the third key ingredient, like we said, is vitamin E. The next thing that really disappointed me about the product was that it does not clean the buildup in your scalp. If you are someone who works out regularly or who is a fan of oiling their hair every now and then, these shampoos are not enough to get rid of all the dirt and grime in your hair, mostly because these shampoos are extremely mild. Both of these shampoos are SLS free, which means that they do not have any sodium lauryl or sodium lauryl sulfate in them, which is of course the reason why they do not lather as much as other shampoos would, because of course we all know that sulfate is a cleaning agent and it's the reason why a lot of other shampoos foam better than these ones. Now if you are someone who likes a lot of lather in their shampoo, perhaps these ones are not the one for you. I don't really mind the amount of lather that I have when I shampoo my hair, but one concern that I really have is I want my scalp to be thoroughly clean when I walk out of the shower. And because this shampoo does not clean buildup, which is something that my mom, my sister and I, all three of us experienced, we always felt that we had a little bit of residue of the oil or some hair pack that we had applied probably a day before. There was always a residue left in our hair even after we had shampooed our hair thoroughly. All of us also felt that the shampoo actually also left a really slippery and waxy kind of layer to our hair, and despite washing it about 4 to 5 times, no matter how much we tried to get rid of it, it would still not go away. Next, talking about the packaging of these two products, these are basic plastic bottles. Mamaearth claims to be a plastic positive brand, but I believe you have to send in your empty bottles to them, which I don't really know how that works, so I'm not really going to comment on that. But when it comes to packaging, I think it's regular basic plastic packaging. Although one thing that I really have a complaint with is the pump of the product right here. Usually it's extremely easy to dispense a product when it comes in a pump bottle of this sort, but the pump is just so tight, it's so difficult to get even a little bit of product out of this one. You have to use a lot of strength actually to get the product out, which is not something that either of us would like to do when you are in the shower, of course. So this is a little bit of complaint that I have with this. Maybe they could work a little bit on easing up this tiny little nozzle that we have here. Otherwise, I think the packaging is pretty much okay. Even though my sister has really straight, healthy and shiny hair, the shampoos actually did the same to her. She also felt that there was this waxy layer in her hair that just refused to go away no matter what she tried. Now coming to the claims that these products have. This one claims to control your hair fall and this one claims to control your dandruff. Talking about this product first, I don't think it did anything for my hair fall for sure. My hair fall wasn't out of control, but it wasn't improved either. Also, something that my mom pointed out was every single time she would brush her hair or comb her hair, she noticed that she had a lot of hair loss, and the reason for that being the waxy layer that was left in her hair post shampoo. And because she had to constantly tug on her hair to detangle it, eventually there was a lot of hair loss after using this product. But surprisingly, this one worked really well for my father as well. I think he's going to continue using this because he has no complaints with this product whatsoever. The waxy layer thing, he did not face any of it at all. He feels that this also helped in controlling his dandruff. So talking about my final verdict on these products, when it comes to Mamaearth's hair care range, I feel there is a very small fraction of people who actually think that these products are nice and whom these products actually suit. As for me, I felt that these are extremely okay-ish products and something that I can definitely give a pass to. Definitely a dud for me not repurchasing them again. If you have dry and frizzy hair, definitely these are not the shampoos that you should be reaching out for, because when it comes to humidity, these shampoos are definitely not going to help you in any manner. Also, I'm not going to comment on how these shampoos perform on color treated hair because no one in my family has color treated their hair, so I really cannot give you guys a verdict on that. And the last point that I would like to include is, you know how when you step out of the shower after shampooing your hair suddenly feels very bouncy, very clean. You just want to flip your hair like 500 times. this is not something that these shampoos will make you feel like. Your hair kind of feels weighed down, it doesn't feel clean. So if you are someone who thoroughly enjoys their shampooing experience every other day, then these products are definitely not going to be your best friend for sure. So this was my final verdict on the Mamaearth hair care range. If you guys would want me to review any more products from either Mamaearth or any other brand, please let me know in the comment section down below. And also before you leave, don't forget to hit the tiny little red subscribe button right underneath this video. And until then, I will see you very soon in my next video, which is of course going to come up next Friday as always. Bye!